I'm back with another one, and in this one we are going to take a look at a Wise Maple um, mini spot welder. Lately, Banggood or any Chinese companies cannot ship portable welders with batteries. That I made videos earlier that really work very well. But then I found this one that uses the LiPo or any type of car battery, drone battery, or any kind of battery that connects to this. So let's go over the spot welder. Let's try on a few welds and see, is it worth it and can it replace the portable welders I already have. So in a box we have the spot welder, we have the two prongs for welding, and we have a lead for your power supply. The lead comes actually without any connectors, so you can solder on anything you want, but I'm going to connect it to my 3S LiPo battery, so I made it with the XT60. I also received this barrel type plug, but I really can't tell where you going to put it. So yeah, this came with the welder, but I really don't know what to use it for. So to go over the welder, it's a simple 3 PCB layer design, pretty straightforward. It has instructions on the back, but you have also instructions here. For the instructions, you can use 12-volt car battery from 25 to 40 amp hours. You can use 45C to 60C 3S model airplane battery, or you can use 35 amp hours 12 volt capacity. Other power sources may damage the controller, so please be careful when connecting the power source to your spot welder. Long press to turn it on, then long press to turn it off. You have this button to power it on, and this is your selections. All the electronics inside are okay, but mine actually came with a bit of flux from leaking from the traces, but I don't think it will actually cause any issues with the welder. So yeah, for the power you simply screw on the power leads, so you have the positive here. So yeah, with it assembled, you have your power to these pads over here, and you have your prongs coming out on the front. So to power it, I will use a crappy 3S battery pack. Hopefully I will manage to solder it with it. So as instruction manual said, long press turns it on. It has a little LCD display. You have your power settings here. This is the lower setting is 1. You have also settings for auto triggering, stop, and manual triggering. So I will leave it at auto triggering since we need it. Yeah. So let's see how it welds on. This is the lowest setting, and mind me, a really crappy battery. So let's see if it triggers. Well, this didn't go as planned. I have here 3S pack. I had like 10 years, and yeah, it blew MOSFET over here when soldering, and it was on the lowest setting. So let me see if it will. No, it won't power on. Yeah, this didn't go as planned. So yeah, this is a no-go.